shit. Okay, in already. Oh.
Before we ride?
Are you booted up?
It's us.
Sorry we left you shut down for so long, but we needed to save the energy.
Isabella had to stay behind.
And you have to find her for us. Do you understand, Why?
The lights are out,
But you can use your sonar to navigate. It might be too late for us, but
you can still get her out of here.
Oh. Okay, hold on. I need to get my bearing real quick. So I am B1, if I saw that correctly. I am B1. I can grab these and throw them? Okay, I can grab and throw. Okay, that's interesting. Damn, okay, this is actually very trippy for my eyes. I don't know how well you guys are seeing this, but literally each step is doing the whole echo thing. So this isn't really like lidar scanning, but like true actual echolocation. This is actually dope. Control. Okay, so control still crouch. That's good. Okay. That makes noise. So there's no running. So no robot that can't run. Okay. Okay, this is actually dope as hell. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Okay, so that's... This is actually dope. I love this idea. Exit is over there. I have no idea what that was, mate. Oh! You know what? Oh, fuck. Okay. Now this is where the challenge comes in on. Hello? What the F was that? That's an accurate trophy there. Well, that just happened. Oh, hell. That means if I drop, I'm gonna make a shit ton of noise. Okay, well, down I go. Okay, so, I can just also hit spacebar to crouch. Oh. Where am I supposed to go? Where am I supposed to go? Follow the wall. What is that? Oh. That way. Oh. Ooh. Okay. There it is. Oh shit. Okay, I actually like that with its sound that's showing all the interactable objects around it. That's actually cool. Something moved over here. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Nope. 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 What are you going for? I completely forgot what I'm supposed to be looking for. Scissors. Oh, fuck. You didn't make it. I have no idea where I'm at. Okay, so this is a checkpoint. I'm gonna grab one of these. So I have to go this way. It's in there. I'm gonna try something. Vent, stairs. Let stairs work too. Oh, hey, look. Exit. Hey guys, if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to the video because that helps out the channel and you get to see more content that I do. So, yeah. And also, I have a second channel where I make concept characters, different things. So, that'll be in the link to the description. Okay, bye.
That thing seems to be
Sensitive to
noise.
Maybe we can help.
Go to the console and
Download our new feature.
B4BY.
Okay, B4BY. Okay, that's my name, B4BY. Okay, let's see the pickup.
use this as the
Last
last.
resort.
But don't let it get used to it.
Left mouse button when not holding anything to interact with the sound blast. Oh, okay. This may result in unintended outcomes. Can I not open that door? I cannot. Okay, so maybe I can use the blast. Oh, I saw we slowed down a bit more. Okay. Oh, and for those who are curious, this does have mouse controller compatibility. So can I say I am guessing very much so that this is working, but oh fuck. Okay. Power. Okay, there's the power cable. You go this way, follow, 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 follow. Okay, this is taking me farther away from it, so that I'm happy with that. Good thing I decided to go in the van. Why did it stop? Fuck. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Second death. That's it. Okay, let's try that again. Pick that up. See what the left path gives. Okay, upstairs. Is there anything over here? Nope, just another. Dude, this is honestly a really dope game concept. Like, I'm actually genuinely having a lot of fun. There it is. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, vent. Vent is there. Let's remember the vent's there. It stopped moving. Why did it stop moving? Oh, there it is. It's circular. It's camping me. Fuck you. Okay. You know, if this was also sound based, like mic option sound based. Did I? Ah, fuck! I thought I hit the button. I wanted to use the one. God damn it. Okay. Sound is coming from over here, so whatever I'm after is here? Up. Pick up key card. I don't. I'm going to just crouch from now on because it seems safer ish. Why does it go dead silent? Like quiet silent. I hate that. Okay.
That's where we left her.
Over there? Oh, these are people. Okay, that's where we left her. Okay. Okay, so I have to go through this vent here. What exactly is happening?
She must be here somewhere.
Fucking hell. Wall. I didn't know. I should have figured from the scream that that was it, that it heard me, but
She must be here somewhere.
is there a thing that I can pick up or throw or something? Once I drop, I'm gonna make a lot of noise. Okay. Sorry if I go quiet for long periods of time. This game is very stressful, but in a good way. Okay, so I need to go through this vent. There we go. Always crouching is technically making this hard mode, but I'm terrified right now, so crouch I shall be. Oh, you're kidding me. Is there fall damage? Yes. Okay, there seems to be no creature through here, so I can just probably just walk through. Or, you know, prove me wrong and growl. This way, right? Yeah, because that way is just death, so... Oh, there we go. What is that, pen? Dart? Okay, I saw movement over there, so I'm just gonna try to follow the wall. Follow the wall. Do not walk into the abyss. Unless I have to walk into the abyss. Okay, I see what's going to happen. Okay. Okay. Oh, hell. Where's the damn thing? How many of those I have to do? 3! Fuck. And that thing is over by one of them. I got stuck on it. Okay. Not cool. Am I going in the right direction? I feel like I got turned around. You know, I have to go this way. Don't I? Yeah, because there should be a hole in the wall right here. What? Did it despawn? What? Confuzzle is my name, but okay. Unless it's stuck somewhere. Yep. I'm not going to question it. I'm just going to go with it. Isabella. Oh, no? Okay. Oh, I have to turn the power on to each of these. Okay. Okay. The way in there is this way? Yes. I'm gonna grab one of these. Just in case. You know if one of those things appear in the, So one is broken, which I'm assuming that one is Mike. Yeah, Mike is broken. Is there a mission report thing? No. Yes. I have a feeling I'm going to open the wrong door and... Should I open both? Yeah. Nope, nothing crawled out. I'll take that as a win. Nothing in here. Oh, there's a vent. Okay. So I guess I have to go into Mike's room? Must be a vent in Isabella's. Yes, there's a vent. How do I get to said vent?
have a fever.
Oh.
And I know this sounds like paranoia. But is that my arm? Is that my blood running through my veins? I think it's making an animal out of me. A goddamn animal! I can't do this anymore. Maybe I'll just wait until it's gone. It has to go away again, right?
She locked herself in.
Find her room, quickly!
Maybe we aren't too late yet.
That was Isabella, right?
My body. I'm not even sure it's mine anymore.
Oh, something's messing with my feed.
Changing. My bones snap as I grow back together. My skin tears. And the woods goes in minutes. I can't move. I can't breathe. And I can't die. I fucking hate you! I'll kill you! Look at what you did to me!
I have no control anymore. Oh, that was the end? Oh shit, okay. Oh! Damn, alright. Apparently I thought those tape recorder things were literally just like alternative sounds, but that you can use to distract the creature. I didn't think that it was like story things. But regardless, we kind of got the gist of it. Isabella was the creature. Honestly, I found this game really cool. It was definitely different. Like, I've never played a game like... I've watched videos where they've used, like, lidar system in the games, which, for those of you who don't know what lidar is basically using essentially millions of laser pointers to figure out the shape of your surroundings and find depictions of people or trees or structures and stuff like that. There's honestly plenty of horror games that are based off of that system, which is really cool. But echolocation, that is actually something I thoroughly enjoyed. Like, I've seen it in other games where it's like we get echolocation, but it's like a legit like sound wave in the sense of like, I don't know, in some movies where it has like a vampire character, it gives like that whole echolocation thing, or they do the sense of like how submarines have their echo sonars or whatever. But this is actually dope because it uses literally like the particle or the noise waves to show where it is, and it even shows the creature itself making a noise. It's just not like its footsteps or anything like that, which I actually really liked. I really loved the ambience and theme of this game. So it's free on Steam right now. Link will be in the description below. But yeah, that's it for this game, for this video. Like, subscribe, notification, all that stuff. It will honestly help out a lot. And Y2K Project, I also, you know what? I really enjoyed this game. So you guys give it a try. Maybe find the other soundtracks that I missed. But yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.